Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have this flashing or blinking exclamation point on the dashboard of your car. Now, what is this and what do you need to do about it? So this is the TPMS light, first of all, which is the tire pressure monitoring system, which basically there are sensors in each one of your tires that monitor the air pressure in the tire. And if the tire pressure is low, this light will come on just solid, just be on solid light, indicating that there is a tire pressure issue. Now, when you get this blinking light, what it is telling you is that those sensors, it's not getting a signal from those sensors. So there's something wrong with the sensors. Basically, you are going to need to replace this sensor. So there's 4 sensors, one in each tire. They cost about $30 to replace. And you can install them yourself depending on how handy you are. They're not super hard. You can buy them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But basically, if this is blinking, you can manually check the air pressure in your tires, and if they're fine, then you don't need to worry about it. This is not something that necessarily needs to be dealt with. But the best thing is just to replace the sensors because it's very easy to do. Thanks a lot for watching.